In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a customer in Odoo 18 step by step. Whether you're managing a small business or a large enterprise, knowing how to efficiently add customers into your system is essential for maintaining good sales records and customer relationships. So let's dive in and make this process as smooth as possible. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the home page of your Odoo application. This is where all the magic starts, and having a familiar starting place ensures that you'll always know where to go no matter what task you're tackling. Once you're on the home page, your next step is to head to the Sales module. This module is a central hub for everything related to sales transactions and customer interactions, making it the perfect place to manage your customer data. Now, within the Sales module, locate and click on Orders. By doing so, you're accessing the area where all order-related activities are managed. Here you'll find various sections corresponding to different needs, and for our task, you should click on Customers. This section is tailored specifically for handling anything related to customer information. Once in the Customer section, look for the option to create a new customer. This button is the gateway to adding fresh data into your system, allowing you to register all the necessary information for a new customer entry. Make sure you take a moment to verify that you're ready to add the correct details before proceeding. At this point, you'll need to choose whether you're adding an individual person or a company. This distinction is crucial because it affects the kind of information you'll subsequently enter, such as personal identification details for individuals, or corporate information for companies. After making your selection, it's time to input all the necessary information. Here, thoroughness is key, so ensure you have all relevant details at hand, including names, addresses, and contact numbers. The more complete the information, the better it will serve you in managing customer interactions and transactions in the future. Next, navigate to adding a contact for your new customer. This step is essential for direct communication and any logistics that may require personal interactions. Once you're satisfied with all the details entered, you can go ahead and save your new customer profile. Don't worry if you miss something, because Odoo's system auto-saves, meaning your work is continually preserved as you're entering data. For an added layer of organization and efficiency, I recommend you visit the Sales and Purchases tab. While optional, this step allows you to fill in even more pertinent information about your customer's sales and purchasing history, adding depth to their profile. Finally, head over to the Notes section if there are any additional details you think are important but don't fit elsewhere. Again, this is optional, but it ensures nothing crucial slips through the cracks. And there you have it. You've successfully created a customer profile in Odoo 18. Just remember, the more detailed and organized your entries, the more efficient your operations will be. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.